The 9 to 5 grind, it's a routine that many of us know all too well. Is there a better way? A way to break free from the monotony and find something more fulfilling? Do you ever feel stuck, like you're just going through the motions day in and day out, like you are in a rut, trapped in a cycle that seems never ending? Many people feel this way about their jobs. They feel drained, uninspired, and longing for something more. You go to work, you come home, and you do it all again the next day. It's a routine that can feel suffocating. Is this what life is supposed to be? Just a series of repetitive tasks with no end in sight? Some people love their jobs. They find joy and satisfaction in their daily work. But many others dream of something more. They want freedom. They want to break free from the constraints of a traditional job. They want to be their own boss, to have control over their time and their work. They want to spend more time doing things they love, pursuing hobbies and passions that bring them joy. Maybe you want to travel the world, to see new places and experience new cultures. Maybe you want to spend more time with your family, to be there for the important moments and create lasting memories. Or maybe you just want to be in charge of your own destiny, to make your own decisions and shape your own future. The traditional 9 to 5 job isn't for everyone. And that's perfectly okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It's important to find what works for you. It is okay to want something different, to seek out a life that brings you happiness and fulfillment. Affiliate marketing, your ticket to freedom. Imagine a life where you can work from anywhere, at any time, and still make a substantial income. What if you could make money from anywhere? Picture yourself working from a beach, a cozy cafe, or even a mountain retreat. What if you could be your own boss? No more 9 to 5 grind, no more answering to anyone but yourself. That is the power of affiliate marketing. It allows you to take control of your financial future. It is a way to make money online by promoting other people's products. How does it work? It's simpler than you think. You find a product you love and recommend it to your audience. Share your passion and knowledge with others. When someone buys the product through your unique link, you earn a commission. It is that simple. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Affiliate marketing can be life-changing. It opens up a world of possibilities. It gives you freedom and flexibility. You can design your workday around your life, not the other way around. You can work from anywhere in the world. Whether it's a bustling city or a tranquil countryside, the choice is yours. You set your own hours. Work early in the morning or late at night, whatever suits your lifestyle. You are in control of your own success. With dedication and effort, the sky's the limit. Start your journey today and unlock the freedom you deserve. Choosing your path. Finding the right products to promote. The first step is finding the right products. Think about your passions. What do you love to talk about? What are you knowledgeable in? There are affiliate programs for almost every niche imaginable. Do you love to cook? Promote cooking supplies? Are you a fitness fanatic? Share your favorite workout gear. Think about your audience. What do they need? What problems can you help them solve? Providing value is key. How to find profitable products that perfectly match the audience's need. Research is key. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and affiliate networks to identify popular products. Consider the commission rates and the product's price point. Higher priced items can yield higher commissions, but they may also be harder to sell. Balance is crucial. Always ensure the products align with your audience's interests and needs. This will increase your chances of success and build trust with your audience. Building your dream business through affiliate marketing requires dedication and a clear strategy. Here are some actionable steps to affiliate marketing success. First, you need to get the word out. Start by building a professional website that showcases your niche. Alternatively, you can start a social media account to reach a broader audience. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Be honest and authentic in your reviews and recommendations. Share your personal experiences with the products you promote. This builds credibility and trust. Building trust with your audience is crucial. Promote your links, but always ensure you are not being spammy. Focus on providing value and building genuine relationships with your audience and other influencers in your niche. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort. It's not an overnight success, but the rewards are worth it. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Be patient, be consistent, and never give up on your dreams. Your hard work will pay off in the end. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies in affiliate marketing to stay ahead of the competition. Simple strategies for creating a community of loyal followers who trust your recommendations include engaging with your audience regularly, responding to their comments, and providing consistent value.